Part 2 of how to get better at Codm. Play it via AI to practice your reaction time. Pick what mode do you want. I recommend play at frontline. I'll show you my practice highlights.
Down. Targets in sight. Tango down. Enemy contact. Tango. Target down. Contact. Tango down. Headshot.
Reaction time is important at the game, so you need to practice your reaction time. So, what exactly is reaction time? It's the speed at which your brain processes what you see and tells your hands to respond. In other words, it's how fast you recognize an enemy and make a move, like aiming, shooting, or sliding away. The shorter your reaction time, the faster you win the fights. That's why pros like Cisco seem untouchable. Their brain and hands move almost at the same speed. If this video helped you, you can subscribe for more tutorials video. You can also follow me on TikTok.